All right, so we're going to be taking the 5 vowel sound. Yes, the 5 short vowel sounds. After teaching the child 2-letter words, you teach them the 5 vowels and then use them to form 3-letter words. We call them the CVC words, okay? Consonant, vowel, and consonant words, all right? So, the first vowel sound is A, 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 A. A as in, let's sound and blend this. K, A, T, cat. You tell them to listen to the sound and then blend it together and listen to the word the sounds are making, okay? So, for instance, if we have B, A, G. Let's say the sound and blend them together. B, A, G. Bag, bag. So the sound is saying bag, all right? So let's continue with the vowel A. At, at, mat, p, an, pan. So that's how to sound and blend. Let's go over to the second sound of the vowel. The second short vowel sound is E, 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 as in L, egg, leg, men. All right, so let's form other words. Egg, egg, ed, red. Okay, so the third vowel sound we have is the O sound. O. Oh, before O is E, I think. E sound. A, E, E, E. As in L, E, leap. B, E, bean. Okay, so this is how to sound and blend the 3-letter words. After E, we have O sound. O, O, as in on, son, log, log. Okay, ot, heart. All right. Up, mop. So this is how to say the sound and blend them. All right, then the last short vowel sound is this sound. All right, let's see the words that have this sound. Cern, erp, curb. Okay, other examples are run. Okay, fun. All right, so these are the 5 short vowel sounds. A, E, I, O,